So this is Philips mixer, and now we're going to unbox it. Just take a look at the various sides of this mixer. Okay, so let's get started. Okay. One, two, the same thing. Third one. Okay. Fourth. And here comes the actual mixer machine. Okay. Let's get it out of the package. Yeah. So here it is. The build quality looks awesome. Okay, so there are 5 speed modes, and there is another mode, turbo. Okay, and that's basically it. We need to set this up. Here is the holes. So how do we set it up? Maybe just put it like this, or what? Okay, and one more. Okay, and here's the plug. Cable seems pretty medium size actually, not so long or not so small. Okay, so here is the Philips hand mixer unboxing. It's complete now. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.